A Suzuki GSX750F Katana, otherwise known, from 1991. Alright, first things first. The guy did look after the bike for a bit, so I took out the battery, put it already in charge back in home. To remove the fairing, I'm going for the bolt here, bolt there, one bolt here, all the Allen keys. Bolt here, bolt there, and then we're getting to these two bolts on the screensaver, and then let's see where it's gonna go with this indicator. So far I noticed that two bolts on the windscreen are seized the rest of the way. I'm talking about these babies. So I'm still hoping that I will manage to take this fairing away. What I decided to do is to try to take both sides of the fairing, and hopefully the whole piece is gonna come out. Okay, so by loosening all the bottom bolt, the panel comes out, belly pan, and now I move the both sides, all the bolts. So I guess the only thing that's left is to take these indicators somehow out. Okay, so with the indicator, there is this wire connected there, same on the other side. So I just undo the bolt, disconnect these wires, and the indicator will come out. Okay, so it looks like I managed to loosen up all of them, apart from this one here. There, unfortunately. Last bolt's out. Disconnect the indicator. Alright, indicator's out, very beefy one. So, first fairing off. Look at that. At least one side is off, the other one I'll still be working with. And just not to forget where my bolt's going, I'm gonna put them back into the holes. Unable to do this one because it's definitely, well, overscrewed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut in the line, and that way I could twist it. Cut it in one line, I could put it in essentially a kitchen knife and try to twist it. Yes! Oh yes! Disconnect. Bit of lubrication. And it's out. Yes. And it's off. I'll put the indicator back. Okay. That's the fairings done. A lot of job. Just get to the engine really.